Frustrated with your Samsung TV remote because it just won't work, and the red light keeps blinking? In this video, I will show you how to resolve these exact issues, diving into why your remote is acting up and how you can fix it right at home. Whether your remote is unresponsive or the blinking red light is your only response, we've got the solutions you need. Let's understand what the red blinking light on your Samsung TV remote indicates. If the light blinks continuously, it suggests a problem with the Bluetooth connection, possibly needing a reset or repairing. If it blinks only when you press a button and stops, the remote is in IR mode and may need to switch back to Bluetooth to communicate effectively with your TV. Starting with basic troubleshooting, ensure your remote's batteries are fresh and correctly installed. Also, check that nothing blocks the line of sight between your remote and the TV's sensor, including any decorative or third-party frames. These simple checks can often quickly resolve common issues. If the initial checks don't fix the issue, let's move on to resetting your remote. For a soft reset, hold down the return and play pause buttons simultaneously until your TV displays a message indicating it is connecting to the remote. This often clears minor connectivity issues. If you're still seeing continuous blinking, you might need a factory reset. Press and hold the return and multi-view buttons together. This will completely reset the remote's settings, which can help restore its functionality if it's become unresponsive or if the Bluetooth connection is disrupted. Sometimes the problem might be mechanical, such as stuck buttons which can prevent the remote from functioning properly. To check for this, remove the batteries and press each button on the remote several times. This can help dislodge any dirt or debris that might be causing a button to stick. After doing this, give the remote a gentle shake or tap it lightly against your hand to further remove any loose particles. Once you've done this, reinsert the batteries and try using the remote again. Another issue could be with the IR emitter not working correctly. To test this, you can use the camera on your smartphone. Point the end of the remote with the IR emitter towards your phone's camera and press any button on the remote. Look through your camera's display to see if you spot a light coming from the emitter. If you don't see a light, try with a known working remote to ensure your camera can detect IR light. This test helps confirm whether the IR emitter is functioning and sending signals properly. That's it for this video on troubleshooting your Samsung TV remote when it's not working and the red light keeps blinking. I hope this detailed guide helps you solve any issues you're facing with your remote. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech solutions. Have any questions, or did these methods work for you? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.